Hello, soon to be RN to BSN nurse graduates. My name is Linda Veltri, and I'm the Associate Dean of Nursing here at NCU. I am so pleased to congratulate you on completion of your bachelor's degree here at Northwest Christian University, and I want to wish you all the best and much success in your future careers. I hope you've enjoyed our program. I know that you've worked extremely hard and made many sacrifices to get to this point, and please be proud and go celebrate your success in the days ahead. As you leave our program, I wanted to talk with you a little bit about some of the assessments that we ask our graduating students, our alumni, and our employers to complete. We are a CCNE accredited RN to BSN program, and our accrediting body requires that we do assessments. As students exit our program, we are required to also survey our alumni and our employers, or those who employ our students. Northwest Christian University has partnered with SkyFactor, AAC, and BenchWorks, there's multiple names of this assessment, to deliver an exit assessment to our graduates and also to deliver an assessment to our alumni and our employers. In the weeks ahead, you will receive an email from me that will give you opportunity to complete an exit assessment. And this assessment will allow you to talk about your experience here at Northwest Christian University and in the RN to BSN program. I would like to take a moment to encourage you to complete this exit assessment. It's very, very important that I understand, that NCU understands your experience here in the program. And your experience, your comments, your feedback is so important to help us ensure the type of quality programming that we want to offer, and to ensure that students that come after you also have a quality program. So look for this email. It usually will come to your NCU email. And remember that your NCU email is good forever and ever as long as you change your password every 6 months. And I will be sending these out within several weeks of your graduation. Look for this in your email. Go ahead and take some time to thoughtfully fill out this exit assessment. Also know that you can start it, and if you run out of time or need to run off to do something, you can save your work and come back and finish it later. I usually give several weeks, like 3 months, for you to complete the assessment. And once you complete it, you will stop getting a reminder email from SkyFactor, AAC, and BenchWorks. And I so appreciate your thoughtful feedback and participation in this assessment. Similar to the exit assessment, as you reach the 12-month graduation mark here from NCU, you'll be receiving an alumni assessment. And part of that alumni assessment asks you to provide who your current employer is, and an anonymous survey is sent to your employer where your employer has an opportunity to evaluate our program. I hope that you will carefully consider inclusion of an employer name, address, email address, etc., contact information, so that a survey can be sent to them. I want you to please understand that the survey sent to the employer is not designed to evaluate you personally as a student, but to evaluate what our students who graduate from the RN to BSN program look like in the workplace. So please consider providing your employer address so that we can receive feedback from them as well. And in fact, your provision of your employer is the only way that I have to assess our employers and their perceptions of our graduates. I thank you for taking time to complete each of these assessments as they come along your way. I usually have a drawing for a $25 gift card. So students who complete, for example, the exit assessment, one name will be randomly drawn, and I will mail you a $25 gift card. It's usually Starbucks, or it might be Target, or I don't know. But it'll be a nice gift card for those, for one student who completes the assessment, who's randomly selected. Thank you for participating in assessment. You know how important it is, how vital it is to our ongoing success and quality. And I wish you all the best. Thank you.